Regular maintenance is necessary during the machine's use to protect it and ensure its performance. Due to waste ink generated during printing, which is discharged around the waste ink pad, regular cleaning is required. We provide cotton swabs for cleaning. Spray alcohol onto the cotton swab, then use it to wipe the waste ink pad and surrounding areas. We recommend cleaning once a week. Occasionally, ink may accumulate on the print platform, which should also be cleaned promptly. The bottom of the printhead may accumulate solidified ink during use. Use a cotton swab to clean it. We recommend cleaning every 2 weeks. The encoder strip, used for x-axis positioning of the printer, should remain clean. Use the dust-free cloth provided with the machine for cleaning. We recommend cleaning every 2 weeks. During use and printhead cleaning, waste ink flows into the waste ink bottle. It is advisable to empty the waste ink bottle once a week. White ink is prone to precipitation, so sedimented white ink may accumulate at the bottom of the white ink bottle. Add water, stir, and pour out the liquid to remove the white ink sediment. We recommend doing this once every 30 days. The rails consume lubricating grease during use, and lack of lubrication may cause the ink carriage to move slowly. We recommend applying lubricating grease to the rails once every 30 days.